Hey team, just wanted to do a quick video to show some of the benefits of the SOZO body composition scanner that we use in-house at BioFit. Body composition is basically just our way of looking at what your body's made of. Percentages of body fat, muscle mass, and generally hydration are the three things that we're looking at. Your body composition scans here at BioFit are actually included in your performance membership, or you can pay $50 for 2 scans as a general member. So we're just going to have a look at 2 particular members here, 2 of which I think are good examples as to what we see the main benefit being in the SOZO scanner. We don't care about one particular scan and the numbers that it presents. What we want to look at is multiple scans over a period of time to make sure that you're tracking in the direction that you want to track in. If we don't see the right direction of movement towards the numbers that you want, then we can have conversations about maybe why these numbers aren't being achieved. So here we've got a member who came in with a body fat percentage score of 28.4, and then it's a bit annoying, but the screen tracks to the right. So she's decreased here and then overlaps to this side of the screen. You can see the consistent decreasing towards current day now being 12.6. So this member's done amazingly, going from 28.4 down to 12.6, okay? Another member we can have a look at is a good example of looking at not just body fat percentage, but muscle mass as well. So looking at the history tracking here, we'll start with his body fat percentage. Again, scan 1 up the top here at 19.5, tracking to the right of the screen, decreasing, continuing to decrease to current day 11.7. So these are phenomenal numbers achieved by these 2 members who, in my opinion, have both trained extremely consistently over a long period of time, which is what we think is the best way of doing things. We'll also look at skeletal muscle mass here as well. So initial score here of 31.7 with an increase. So obviously with muscle mass, we want to see an increase of muscle mass versus where body fat percentage, we generally want to see a decrease in that number. So this is what we promote the SOZO scanner for. It's not the be all and end all. One scan doesn't really matter. What we want to see is the trend of movement across your numbers over a long period of time. So this is something that we see great value in, and that's why we've included it in your performance memberships at BioFit.